From words to images, from generation to precision edits, this is TopRoute Image Studio. See, dream, imagine, GPT, image, pick your model, with sizes, batch count, and cost up front. Over 30 templates across generation, editing, references, and multi-image, each with input-output examples and a how-to. Apply the exact text poster template, type a title, and the poster is ready in seconds. Every image can be downloaded, pinned, upscaled 2 or 4 times, or spun into variations with one click. Dream 5 Pro templates go further. Apply one and you land in the Edit workspace with the model pre-selected. Draw boxes and arrows on the image, write an instruction for each, and VI executes every change precisely. One edit pass, several precise changes. That is interactive retouching. Generate, edit, retouch. One studio does it all. TopRoute Studio.